The essence of independence. Today, you embark on a journey of self-discovery, for being independent is not only a way of life, but a powerful mindset that empowers you to forge your own path and shape your destiny. In a world that often tries to define you, boxing you into predetermined roles and expectations, independence becomes your beacon of light, illuminating the way through the darkest of nights. It is the catalyst that propels you beyond the boundaries that others may impose upon you, allowing your true potential to soar. Reflect for a moment on the great individuals who have left indelible marks upon the tapestry of history. Think of the scientists and inventors who reshaped our world with their revolutionary discoveries. Consider the artists and writers who painted vivid masterpieces that stirred the souls of millions. What united them all? Their unwavering embrace of independence, enabling their unique voices to be heard and their ideas to transcend limitations. To be independent means seizing control of your life, decisions, and actions. It requires taking responsibility for the outcomes that unfold as a result of your choices and standing tall in the face of adversity. It necessitates casting aside the crutches of reliance on others and instead forging your own path with unwavering determination. Now, it is understandable that the notion of independence can be daunting. It compels you to venture outside your comfort zone, confront uncertainty, and embrace risk. Yet, within the realm of fear lies the greatest opportunities for growth and achievement. True success and personal development await on the other side of fear, and the most remarkable achievements are often born from moments when you dared to believe in yourself and took that courageous leap into the unknown. So, how can you cultivate independence in your own life? It commences with self-belief, unwavering faith in your abilities and unique talents. You must have confidence in the power of your dreams, knowing that within you lies the potential to transform them into tangible realities. Amidst doubt from others, maintain trust in your own capabilities, understanding that the only limitations that truly exist are the ones you impose upon yourself. Embrace failure as an invaluable stepping stone on the path to success. Yes, setbacks will arise, and stumbling blocks will impede your progress. However, view these moments not as signs of defeat, but as opportunities to learn, grow, and refine your approaches. Instead of allowing the fear of failure to paralyze you, let it serve as a driving force, igniting your resilience and propelling you forward. Believe in your ability to rebound stronger after every setback. Surround yourself with positive influences. Seek out individuals who inspire, uplift, and share your passion for independence. Cultivate a support network of like-minded souls who encourage you and propel you towards greater heights. Remember, your environment and the people you choose to surround yourself with greatly shape who you become. Therefore, it is paramount that you select your companions wisely. And lastly, never underestimate the power of perseverance. Independence is not a final destination but a lifelong journey. Obstacles will test your resolve, setbacks will attempt to derail you, and moments of doubt may cloud your vision. Yet, you must persist. Remain steadfast in your pursuit of independence, unwavering in your focus upon your goals. Draw inspiration from the stories of those who have walked this path before you. They faced similar challenges, yet they triumphed through perseverance, determination, and an unyielding belief in their abilities. Therefore, as you embark on this extraordinary journey called life, embrace your independence wholeheartedly. Become the captain of your own ship, the architect.